Hey, what's everybody? So in front of you, we have the MoKo carrying case for the Nintendo Switch 2. We're going to give you a quick unbagging of it and a quick overview. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we start, just wanted to let you know that we do get, this was sent to us free of charge, just for us to show you what it looks like. We do get a commission when you make a purchase. But let's go ahead, jump right into it. Nice hard shell case. Handle. And you get two zippers here. Inside you get a zipper. So here you can add your accessories, your cables, additional JoyCons, anything else that you can think of. Here you have a little flap that covers and protects the screen. But here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a total of 10 elastic slots. This is where you put your games. And again, like I said, this here protects the screen. This strap here is to place your Switch on here and let you easily remove it. Inside's padded. You have your recessed area where the Joy-Con sits. So, don't have the Nintendo Switch 2 yet, but here is a 1-to-1 scale of it. Sits right in. And when you're ready, just pull and you can start playing. When you're done, just go ahead, put it in, cover it up. Has a Velcro to hold this in place, and you can close it up. No branding on it, so you don't know which side is which until you open. But that's the MoKo Nintendo Switch 2 case. Till next time, see ya.